Good morning everyone, it's Erin here and welcome to another vlog. I'm currently in San Diego for the next couple days before I head back to LA, and I'm actually going to Mexico for a bit, which is really exciting. So it is fall and that typically means really bipolar weather here in Southern California. It's really gloomy in the morning, but then in the afternoon it'll be blazing hot and sunny. So I think that's what's happening today weather-wise. I don't want this kind of overcasty weather right now to bring me down and stop me from going out and adventuring. So I changed into some workout clothes to go on a hike. I just want to get outside and move my body, enjoy being out in nature. But the first step is to get out of the house, so let's go. The cams didn't look too promising this morning, but we're gonna load up the boards anyway. We're optimistic that we can find something this afternoon. We've got our longboards up top.
These are my custom racks right here. I built them myself.
We're on an adventure.
If we venture one street farther, it'll be the farthest from the house I've ever been.
Hi. Hi. Parrots. Oh my gosh, there's a parrot. There's a parrot, Michael. Oh my gosh. What? So we're down by the water's edge to get a closer look at the surf, and it actually doesn't look too bad. There's some rideable waves coming through. So we're hiking back to the car to suit up and get our boards ready. See you out in the water. Waves are super fun, and now we're gonna get some lunch. I'm wearing my changing poncho because I'm too lazy to put on clothes. Got my face mask. Also, I'm wearing Michael's shoes. They are quite a bit bigger than my feet. Absolute style points right now. So now it's time to rinse off the sand in salt water, and this portion of the video is sponsored by Function of Beauty. Function of Beauty has completely custom hair and body products that are tailored specifically for your needs and preferences. All of the products are vegan, cruelty-free, with no parabens, sulfates, GMOs, or toxins, and the bottles are made from recycled plastics. You can choose everything from your own hair type to hair goals, color, scent, and even the name on your bottle, which I named Function of Erin. And it even came with a bunch of cute stickers that I decorated my bottles with. Since I'm constantly fighting dry hair due to my ocean-centered lifestyle, my hair goals are to deep condition, fix split ends, hydrate, replenish, and strengthen. There are so many fragrance options to choose from, but my favorite is eucalyptus with mint because it's really calming and fresh, and it gives a chilly, tingly feeling on my scalp and my neck. If you want to try Function of Beauty for yourself, click the link below for 20% off your first order. All right, it's time to go do some fall things. We're gonna go meet up with my brothers at the pumpkin patch. Check out our outfits.
Looking really spooky.
All the fall things today. So yeah, we're gonna go get in the car and go to the pumpkin patch. Bye.
Have a great day, guys.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
A little lost. Lost my brothers.
It's been like an hour and a half.
Yeah, we're not sure how to get out of here.
Hi, Jessie's being a little turd. She's
Keep
not
going in
happy.
circles.
She's
I'm
lost.
not.
She's super hungry. That's what it is.
We're over the
been here
maze.
for
We want to get
hours.
out of here.
Break me, try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Quick, take it quick. There, you're on my pinky. Wait, no, wait. Ready? Ready? Taking a video or picture?
Video. Stepped on our feet.
Those beautiful stars. I wanna
He was in a push-up position on the back.
lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself.
Hey guys, so it is the next day and I'm all packed up, ready to leave San Diego. I just said goodbye to Michael. I am about to drive to Orange County to meet up with Shane, who is Jonesea, and we're gonna make a custom Halloween wetsuit for me. And then I have a photo shoot with Skatie Swimwear at 1:30. So it's time to get this show on the road, and I'll see you guys when I'm over there. All right, just got to Jonesea. Hello. Alright, so I just finished the fitting with Shane at Jonesea Wetsuits, and I'm really curious if you guys can guess what I will be for Halloween this year. I'm really stoked and honored that Shane is making me a custom Halloween suit because he is the master of Halloween wetsuits. He's just a really talented guy, so I'm very excited to see the final result. So anyway, now it's time to drive to Venice, where I will be shooting for Skatie Swimwear, doing some e-com stuff. Gonna drive, and I will check in with you guys once I get there. Hi. Hi, I'm back with Skatie. We're shooting some new lounge.
Yes,
oh my
it's
gosh.
like the perfect little hoodie dress with like boots.
I love that.
I know, it's all really cute.
I love the pink.
Yes, it's gonna be so fun, and we have really everything comes with like the perfect little cropped tops that like sit
Oh my
perfect with it.
gosh, I'm obsessed.
So
Wow,
good.
it's gonna be such a fun shoot. Lounge and new swim. All right, so welcome to, I guess, the back room of the Skatie office. I'm gonna get changed and we'll begin our shoot.
Better. And action.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind?
How do I turn it off?
She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You mess
that is a wrap.
That is a wrap.
Woo!
Honey.
You guys, this new loungewear, I'm obsessed. So good. This one. Alright you guys, so I just finished up my shoot with Skatie Swimwear and shot some new swim and loungewear pieces for ecom. My work day is over, so I'm actually going to end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I guess next time I see you I'll be in Mexico. So stay tuned for my Mexico videos, and I'll see you in the next video.